Pleasant good morning to everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May the peace, mercy and blessing of Allah be upon you. Now today's topic, choose the correct word out of those given in bracket, homophones, mainly homophones. So just I prepared some few examples to you. See this one as worksheet. See the first one. The world is an dash. Options are allusion or illusion. Illusion means what? Which appear to be true but not true. Now one more thing, let me tell you that I have taught you homophones. I given some few examples to you on homophones. Okay, is it or not? No worksheet. But while you are writing this example, one more thing what you have to do is refer the dictionary and write the meaning of illusion and the examples what I am going to give in this class. Okay, first meaning. The word is an illusion. What is the correct answer? Illusion. Okay. Next example. The bridegroom was in dash. Options are ceremonial or ceremonious. Now write the meaning of this word, ceremonial or ceremonious. Then after you write this example, the correct answer is the bridegroom was in a ceremonial. Okay. Now next example. He is suffering from a dash. Which disease? See here, contagious or contagious. Which one? Which spread from one person to other. He is suffering from a contagious disease. Contagious. Contagious. Next example. He came to dash me. Options are facilitate or felicitate. What is the correct one? Felicitate. So right here, he came to felicitate me. Felicitate. Felicitate me. Next one. She is an dash of the younger generation. Options are ideally or idle. Idol. So idol. Okay. She is an idol of the younger generation. Next example. Write all the meaning of this word, whatever are given so far. Refer the dictionary. Okay. Next example. I do not know dash he is here or not. Here or not. Options are whether WEATHER or whether WHETHER. Now what is the correct one? Whether WHETHER. Write the meaning of these two words and refer the dictionary. I do not know whether he is here or not. Okay? After a meals, he served a delicious dash dessert or dessert, DESSERT, dessert. Okay, so here dessert, DESSERT. After a meal he served a delicious dessert. Next example. I dislike him because he behaves in a dash. Answer: childish or childlike. Now what is the correct answer? Childish. Okay, CHILD, childish. See this example. I dislike him because he behaved in a childish manner. Also you can write a childish. Okay, so these are the example what I given in this class.